Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Dr. Christian Pascual, top 1 in the August 2010 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Christian.
All right. The method you use in assessing human behavior are descriptive, clinical, experimental, and statistical method. We're asking for the statistical method, no? So let's look at it. Maraming sumagot sa inyo ng letter A. Let's look at why you answered letter A. Ayan. Actually, medyo nakakalito nga, no? Kasi dun sa letter A, may sinasabi na checklist, diba? Skill rating, mga ganon. So yeah. But actually, letter A is descriptive method. Kung familiar kayo sa descriptive method, ito yung ginagamit usually sa mga thesis nyo, sa mga research nyo. So in a way, what you do is that there are two things. There is naturalistic observation, which is you observe the behavior in a natural setting. So pupuntahan mo siya sa bahay niya, sa school, sa church, 'di ba? Para observe mo siya over a long period of time, para malaman mo kung bakit ba siya nagbe-behave in a certain way. Intindihin mo siyang mabuti, observe mo siya. 'Di ba? That is and then i-describe mo kung ano man yung na-observe mo sa kanya. But you don't also have to you know, personally go to the house. If you don't want to go to the house, if you don't want to observe the person in a natural setting, it's also valid under the descriptive method na, you know, magpa-answer ka na lang sa kanya ng questionnaire, magpa-answer ka sa kanya ng mga, meron kang assessment tool, di ba? May checklist ka na sasagutin niya, may survey ka, di ba, na ipapasagot sa kanya. And then, based dun sa result ng survey, di ba, maggagawa ka ngayon ng conclusion mo or ng opinion, you will get, 'di ba? You will interpret yung data na binigay niya sa iyo from that tool, from that assessment tool or evaluation tool, 'di ba? So letter A is descriptive method. But if you're making diagnosis, 'di ba? You look at the person, you assess that person, and then you provide treatment that's more on clinical method. Hindi na natin sakop yan. That's more of a method of measuring or assessing behavior done by a medical practitioner, maybe a psychiatrist. Diba? And then letter C, you look at the relationship between variables. Could be dependent, could be independent variable, could be cause effect, diba? We kind of touched that yesterday. In the laboratory, so pwedeng meron kang control group, meron kang treatment group, diba? That's what you call experimental method. So the correct answer actually here is letter D, statistical method. You use researches that you conduct the measures of central tendencies like mean, median, and mode. So I hope you know what is mean, median, mode. Mean is the average, diba? Average. So you add all the number. You add all the number divided by the total number. So if you have 5 numbers, diba? You have 5 things. You have 5 inputs. Diba? Like 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, yun yung score ninyo. I-add nyo lahat yun and then divide. Pag nakuha nyo yung total, divided by 5. That's the total number of items, diba? Or inputs. And then you will get the mean or the average. And then median, kung ano man yung nasa gitna. Diba? Mode is kung ilang beses na ulit yung item. So for example, kayo, yung mga scores nyo mula kanina, kung si John, for example, ay naka 5 points, si Aldrin got 5 points as well. So dalawa sa inyo ang nakapag 5 points, then you should say that 2, parang ganon. That's the mode. For that item, 2. And then median yung sa gitna. Kung ano man yung i-arrange mo siya from highest to lowest, kung ano yung nasa middle, that's the median. Kumbaga, mode is just the frequency, ilang beses na ulit itong item na to. That's the mode. Alright, sige. Either way, letter D, okay, is what you call the statistical method, diba? Or in the US, it's good to do research statistically because, meron silang uniform crime reporting or UCR, crime report. Ito yung way nila so that wherever you are, sa police station ka man in the US, you can same lang yung information na kinukolekta mo from different crimes, and then ilalagak yon in a common database, di ba? So that everything is organized and madaling mag-data mining or mag-retrieve ng data. In the Philippines, we have the CRAS, di ba? If you're familiar with the CRAS of the Philippine National Police, where every police station will, aside from yung written blotter, they also have to upload, diba, in their system, a report, an electronic report, and kinukolekta yan through the PNP CRAS, diba? Right. So yun. So, yeah, I think those are the different methods. Meron ba tayong nakaligtaan? Wala. Na-mention naman lahat yung mga methods na yan. Alright. We will post for a break, no?
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!